right.
Okay, we're recording.
We gotta put some
So-
fuel in our fuel can.
So this is a real red letter day. This is Jimmy Allison, who's going to try and start his motorcycle. You'll notice here, we don't have a gas tank, but
we do.
nor an oil tank, but who
Here's our
cares?
gas tank right here, Sylvia.
Oh. Tell us about your gas tank, Jimmy.
Well, it only holds 1 gallon.
It's a small tank. That's why you have this extra tank on the back.
That's right.
So what are you going to do for oiling?
We put some oil in the crankcase.
So we're just going to
So
go
we're
with
gonna
that.
See if that will suffice.
And hopefully we won't blow it up.
I don't think it'll blow up. It's got plenty of oil in there, probably more than it really needs.
Okay.
Somebody hold that can.
Yes.
And let's see, I got the fire extinguisher.
Okay.
So
Roger, come over
So
here.
Roger is the gas tank supports.
It's already got a spare gas on it, but there isn't actually a gas tank.
I don't think this is as comfortable as your kind of seat kind of sits up a little higher.
Well, we can work on that.
Okay. Oh, that's.
And I think you have the right riding outfit too.
You like my riding outfit?
I do.
Have you tickled?
No. It just seems like it kicks over really easy.
Well, I thought you had your valve lifter closed.
I do have my valve lifter closed. You were kicking a lot harder than that. What? It smells so good on that side.
Did you tickle it?
Yeah.
I didn't hear it laugh though.
Compared to mine?
Yes, way quieter than yours.
Okay, Jimmy.
Not
So now,
very much compression, is it?
okay. So now tell us how you feel about that.
Well, I didn't believe we'd get it running this week, but there it is.
All right. Good job. And lots of thanks to Roger, who has made so many cool parts for these guys.
Yes, we're gonna miss him.
You gonna
And
start
lots
it
of thanks
again?
to Jim.
Start
Okay.
it again, or is that it?